po ni mga Virgo. Ang tagal daw ng reading nila. Talaga naman. Virgo. This is a Virgo Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus bonus reading for the month of March. For your personal reading, kindly send me a direct message. Okay. May nakita ako dito, nagfo-focus sa totoong pag-ibig kung hindi totoo at tubog lang sa ginto. Wag na lang, sabi ng mga Virgo. Okay? Nagmamanifest din ng mga long-term goals, long-term love connections. Alright? Virgo. This is a Virgo Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus bonus reading for the month of March. Let's see kung anong para sa mga Virgo. Okay? Anong magandang balita para sa mga Virgo? Anong magandang balita? Anong guidance? Anong mga dapat nating makita? May maganda bang parating para sa mga Virgo? Let's see. Alright? And remind ko lang uli kayo, hindi po ako magme-message sa inyo. Mag-ingat sa mga kumakatok sa inyong mga inbox at nanghihingi ng donasyon, alright? Naandan sa profile photo natin, yung globe number 0906-436-3733. Okay daw? Kung anong number natin sa Viber, Telegram, voting, mga WhatsApp, yun din ang ating Gcash. Mag-ingat. Okay. Virgo Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus bonus reading for the month of March. Okay? Announce ko lang sa inyo na on sale pa rin ang ating mga crystals. Lahat ng crystals natin high quality, blessed, cleanse, and ritualized pa rin, light and guide. Okay. May gustong makipag-usap. Sabi ng masculine, gusto niyang kausapin ng feminine. Meron siyang alay. Alay! Meron siyang mga pangako, good news about stability, plano. Okay? That involves long-term plans, pera, kabuhayan. Kabuhayan showcase para sa mga Virgo. Sadness. Bakit nasa sad? May kabuhayan showcase na nga eh. Okay. Nagkaroon ng isang very stable connection. Nagkaroon ng mga pangako, pangarap. But it feels like someone is not ready to commit. Kaya nalulungkot ang mga Virgo pero hindi pa naman totally over tong relationship na to. Okay? Sabi ng feminine, ready siyang makipag-usap. At I feel ginawa na to ng feminine in the past, but hindi nagkaroon ng harvest time or good outcome na ine-expect ng feminine. Sabi ng mga Virgo, gusto niyang i-detach yung sarili niya sa overthinking, ayaw din ng away, ayaw ng conflict. So kung ano man yung kailangang i-deliver na pag-uusap, love offer, or apology, hindi pa na ibibigay. Okay. Naharang sa customs. This is a very passionate connection na sinubukan nyo namang i-balance and to make what's right and to give a decision na best para sa relationship. But I feel hindi pareho yung readiness. Someone feels ready for a commitment and someone is like, wait lang, ba't ka nagmamadali? Enjoy lang tayo. Sabi ng isa, ano ba tayo? Ang tagal na natin. Sabi ng masculine, masaya. Someone is not ready to commit, alright? There's avoiding conflict energy dito, nagkaroon ng mga disagreements and possible third energy connections, mga selosan, dudahan, at lumabas ang katotohanan, di umano. Sabi ng mga Virgo, gusto nyo pa rin i-keep ang connection na to, but nagdala ng maraming overthinking because napapaisip din yung mga Virgo, masyado bang naging mabilis ang movement ng relationship na to? Hindi ba masyadong napag-isipan? But sabi ng mga Virgo, since nandyan ka na sa relationship na yan, gusto mo nang ituloy. Same old cycle, hurtful situation, pero sabi ng feminine, kahit na-hurt siya, kahit na-disappoint siya, gusto pa rin niyang i-keep itong relationship na to. Aware kayo na hindi ito yung best na kaya nyo to make this connection right. But I feel kulang sa effort because someone is not ready to commit. Magkaiba, okay? Walang mali kung gusto ng casual, walang mali kung hindi ready mag-commit. But syempre, from the beginning of time, dapat pareho talaga ng pag-usapan what you're ready for, what this person you're dating is ready for, para hindi naman sa dulo pag may feelings na biglang hindi naman pala ready mag-commit yung isa. 'Di ba? Mahirap 'yon. Okay? alamin kung ano yung values, magkasundo ba, okay ba yung pamilya niya, gusto mo ba yung sistema, matitiis mo ba yung mga biyanan mong hilaw, di ba? If not, that's not long term. Okay? Kasi hindi naman kahit gaano nyo kamahal ang isa't isa, kung magkaiba ng paniniwala, values, the way you handle relationship, the way you see relationship, pag hindi pareho, wala, hindi tatagal. Alright? The reason for the reading is the Ace of Cups in reverse. This is the energy of like, hindi nasukli ang pagmamahal. Someone feels na kahit hindi nasuklian tong pagmamahal na to na parang I need this person, Virgo, you feel na kahit gusto mo pa rin ilaban to. Because very hopeful ka na baka naman eventually makita ng person mo yung value mo sa person, which is, I have a bad news, most of the time, hindi. Okay? Giving the person more of what they don't already appreciate won't make them appreciate you more. Won't make them appreciate you now. Okay? It's like giving a rabbit the finest steak. And because of that, sabi ng mga Virgo is like, tignan mabuti yung sitwasyon, baka naman haka-haka, baka guni-guni mo lang na hindi ka mahal. So, you feel unloved, unrequited ang pagmamahal mo sa relasyon na to. Huwag mo kung materi-teri ka na. So, recent past, napapagod ka na rin na mag-invest ng buo. Sabi nga sa jeep, barya lang sa umaga. It feels like you've invested so much at buong buo na hindi mo naman talaga kilala ang tao na to. Hindi mo rin alam kung talagang ready siya for a commitment. At kahit sinabi niya na ready siya sa commitment, dapat, i-check mo rin, okay? Investigahan mo rin. Okay? Sabi ng mga Virgo, medyo umaatras na siya ngayon because nararamdaman mo na hindi naman ready, no? Hindi kayo pareho ng readiness ng person of interest mo. Okay. So, meron kang prayers and manifestation. Sabi mo, Lord, bigay mo na po sa akin ng wisdom. Napapagod ka ng magkaroon ng sleepless nights and overthinking. Pero sabi mo, kaya yan, ilaban yan kahit mahirap sa ngalan ng pag-ibig. Lalaban ng mga Virgo. Okay. Sabi ng mga Virgo, you might be dealing with a Taurus, Capricorn, Sagittarius, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Let's see, medyo toxic ang relationship na to, sabi ng mga Virgo. Pero handang ipaglaban, handang magtiis, looking at the possibilities ng relationship na to, looking at the potential. Actually, this is a very strong soul connection. But kung makikita nyo, eto may angel. This is divinely orchestrated meeting of the souls. But because someone is not ready, may devil energy of like, I don't know, pwedeng selfish or dahil hindi siya ready, nagkakaroon ng selfishness. Alam naman natin na pag hindi ready magmahal, di ba? May pagka-selfish yung energy. Kasi, why would a person care kung ano yung iniisip mo kung hindi ka naman totoong mahal, di ba? Kaya nga nagwo-work out yung relationship kasi mahal nyo yung isa't isa at willing kayong mag-offer ng sacrifices to meet each other halfway. But I feel the level of readiness is not the same. Kaya yung isa, mas todo-todo bigay. Yung isa parang, let's see. Pwede naman, considering, okay? Sabi ng person, mga Virgo, pagod na rin siyang mag-explain. And hindi naman din daw para super i-push ang relationship na to. Okay? May mga hesitations, may mga kino-consider. It feels like hindi pa sigurado to commit. Marami pang iniisip. Okay? Baka nga naman daw hindi long term. Ayaw din yung magkamali. Gusto lang niya ng sigurista energy sa relationship na to. Your person knows what they can bring to the table, pero bago daw niya ilapag ang alay. Gusto nilang maging sigurado, okay? Meron kang fear and doubt, Virgo, kung tama pa ba na maghantay with the temperance card, pagpapasensyahan, iintayan pa ba, titignan mo pa rin ba ang quote-unquote potential ng tao na to na magbago, potential na mahalin ka, potential na i-reciprocate ang pagmamahal na kaya mong ibigay sa relationship na to. Okay? Until the end of June, there's still the energy of like, pagod nang magbigay, so pareho kayong magpo-pull back ng energy, magpapakiramdaman. And I feel with this kind of situation, pareho nyong pipiliin na, sige, wag mo nang mag-commit. Pag-isipan muna. And I feel yung conversation would be initiated by the feminine. But she would feel really defeated na parang kung ano yung ininvest niya na pagmamahal, sasabihin niya akala niya ready yung masculine for this, but na-disappoint siya. Maaari siyang ma-disappoint because this energy is until the end of June. Okay? Magkakaroon ng decision na sige, wag muna. But it feels like kailangan nyo pareho ng time to think about this connection. May mga trust issues din na hindi matanggap about this connection. Ay, nako. Because someone is not ready. And someone is still not like decided na eto na talaga yung gusto mong relationship. May nakikita akong maaaring ma-involve or I feel nag-e-exist na tong third energy na to nasa radar nyo na eh. Kumbaga, this is an invited guest. Imbitado. Okay? Party, imbitado ang third party na to. Kaya I really don't believe like yung nanira ng relasyon, homewrecker. There's no such thing as a homewrecker. That's invited anay to tear the house apart. To tear what the both of you are trying to build. Someone is not ready. Someone is not committed. Someone is not sure. Kaya nag-i-invite pa siya. Networking to. Sabi niya, dito ka. Let's see, baka mas jive tayo. At maaaring masaktan yung isa dito who is committed at sure na and who is really building on this relationship. Tapos yung isa pa chill lang na nagsuswipe pa, baka meron pa daw mas maganda, mas better, mas... So, yun nga yung number 1, dapat pareho kayo ng readiness. At alam nyo, dapat yung pinapasok nyo kasi this is the energy of yung isa kasi. Let's see where this goes. Kaya lang yung isa, ready na for a relationship. May energy din dito na dahil sobrang ready nung isa for a relationship, ready din siya to settle for less. And ready din siya to wait for the potential nung isang taong hindi ready na baka magbago, baka mas mahalin siya, baka mas mag-commit in the future. Which is, para sa akin, paniwalaan mo what's right here, what's right now. Potential is just a potential na maaaring kumbaga sa itlog baka mabugok. Alright? If your person is not sure about you, then be it. Kung gusto mong maghintay, dapat alam mo yung potential na heartbreak na naghihintay sa'yo. Okay? Whew! To balance your heart chakra, to heal your heart, Madagascar Rose Quartz, the pink crystal, to have mental clarity and have a stronger connection with the divine, the amethyst crystal. Okay? To protect yourself from bad energy and protection from bad juju, anti-evil eye, the Madagascar Black Tourmaline. Okay? Manifesting Abundance, Brazilian Citrine. Lahat ng crystals natin, high quality, blessed, cleanse, and ritualized para enlighten guide. Sale tayo hanggang katapusan ng March. Okay? PM lang for your crystals. So for now, wala akong masyadong maitawid na good news because kung ano man yung mangyayari dito, kayo na yung bahala, nasa decision nyo. This is the energy of naging masyado bang mabilis or hindi nakilala mo na ang isa't isa, or did someone lie about the intention, or did someone lie about being ready about sa relationship na to, because I can see here na hindi kayo pareho ng readiness, or it could be na wala eh. kumbaga sa dalawang pirasong puzzle, hindi mag-fit because yung isa bilog, yung isa square. Okay? So, I feel naman the feminine would initiate the conversation, and I pray na makagawa kayo ng decision that's fair enough for the both of you. Kasi mahirap yung naghahantay sa wala at naghihintay, tapos at the end of the day, sasabihin, after all the feelings na na-invest, ay hindi naman pala talaga ready or hindi naman talaga ikaw yung gusto. And that would be really devastating, and that would really be painful. Kahit tambakan kita ng kristal, masakit yun. Okay? So again, I'm praying na makagawa kayo ng tamang decision for you to take care of yourself, and that would be the Virgo reading for the month of, bonus reading for the month of March. PM me for your personal reading. Mag-ingat sa mga scammer. And mag-avail na ng crystals habang sale pa. Bye-bye, Virgo!